Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basis, and today's video is all about how to download Global IME Bank app. Let's get started. Grab your phone or tablet and open your App Store. Depending on your device, it will be either the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Global IME Bank and hit search. You should see the Global Smart Plus app developed by Global IME Bank. Tap on the app icon and then hit install or get depending on your device. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a minute. Once the download is completed, tap on Open to launch the app. And that's it, you have downloaded and launched the Global IME Bank app. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.